showing you some stretches for how to get higher kicks. Okay, before we get started, make sure that you do a really good warm-up so we can avoid injuries. Also, make sure you download the 7-day workout routine that I have as a PDF. The link will be in the description below if you want to download that so you can follow each day workouts so you can follow along and get those higher kicks. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so for our first stretch, we're going to have leg swings. This is a dynamic stretch, and pretty much what you're going to do is find something to hold on to, whether it's a bag or a wall, and you're just going to be swinging your leg out and back 10 times each leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. While you're doing these, please keep in mind it doesn't matter how high or how far you can stretch. The point is that you want to be able to track your own progress and push yourself, so wherever you feel the stretch, that's going to be great for you. Don't try and push yourself too far to where you end up getting injured. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side with the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can also go ahead and do these a bunch of different ways. Some other variations is holding on. You can kick it straight forward and then back behind you like this. Okay, the next stretch that we're going to be doing is the middle split hold. So for this one, basically you're going to go into your middle split position and hold down as low as you can on your hands like this, and pretty much we're going to do 30 seconds as low as you can go. Let's go ahead and get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Try and drop a little bit lower for the last 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And sit back and relax. The next stretch that we're going to be doing is the side splits. So I want you to start off facing sideways. You're going to be in a lunge. And pretty much what you're going to do is try and keep your hips squared to one side. Keep both of your hands on either side and try and straighten both of your legs. Again, as low as you can go. Doesn't matter how low you are as long as you're feeling the stretch. Once you get to your furthest point, go ahead and count to 30. Let's go ahead and get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure that your hip doesn't open up. Don't turn over like this. Keep them forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. You're going to want to do the same exact thing on the other side with your other leg forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Try and get lower. This is my not as flexible side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And last 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. The next stretch that we're going to be doing is the hamstring stretch. So for this one, again, I'm just going to turn sideways. Keep one knee up, bring the other foot on top with your ankle right on your leg, and you're just going to try and get your chest as close to your leg as you can. You're going to feel the stretch right in your hamstring. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Try and squeeze even closer. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it close. Try and keep your back straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job. All right, the next stretch is the butterfly stretch. You're probably familiar with this stretch. Just bring your feet in together. If you want, you can push your feet out, grab your hands and put them under your legs like this. It kind of just relieves some of the pressure from your knees. And go ahead and keep your back straight and face down. We're gonna hold this for another 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Try and avoid curving your back down like this to bring your head to your feet, but try and keep your back straight and push forward. Okay, the next stretch that we have on the list are called leg hugs. For leg hugs, pretty much you're gonna be laying down and you're just gonna hug your leg just like it sounds, hug it in tight like this. And we're gonna hold this one for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're gonna twist it into your body towards your stomach for 10 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now same thing but on the other side, on the outside of your body. And hug it in close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we're gonna do the same thing with the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To the inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Feel free to hold it longer on any of the sides if you think that you want to hold a longer stretch there. The next stretch that we're going to be doing is the frog stretch. You're probably familiar with this one as well, but if you're not, then go ahead and kneel down on your knees like this. What you're going to be doing is try and get the splits, but with your knees bent. So you're going to try and go out to the middle splits like this. Keep your feet facing straight back towards you, and if you want, you can lower yourself down to your elbows. Try and get flat down on the ground and hold for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Relax. And for our last stretch, we have the wall splits. So make sure you find a wall with some room, and let's go ahead and get started with the wall splits. For wall splits, you're up against the wall. You're gonna try and scoot your butt as close as you can towards the wall like this. Okay, bring your feet straight up above you. Now from here, you're just gonna drop your legs to the sides and try and go down as low as you can. Once you get to the lowest you can go, you're just gonna hold for 30 seconds. If you need, you might wanna ask a buddy to help you push your legs even down, even lower, or you can use weights, just like light weights to help hold them down as well. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. A little bit lower for the last 10 seconds. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One thing to keep in mind, make sure that your back isn't arched. Make sure your stomach isn't trying to push itself up, but keep it tight so that your back stays flat the whole time. Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure you leave me a comment of what your favorite stretch is in the comments below. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because on this channel we do a lot of Taekwondo tutorials, workouts, vlogs, and just general tips for helping you improve in Taekwondo. I will see you guys all in the next video. Hope you have a good training the rest of your